What are you up to today, Radhya?
I forgot.
We're making Chole Kulche.
Chole Kulche!
Delhi style. Say Delhi style Chole Kulche.
Chole Kulche.
So we got overnight soaked already.
Yep. Yes. Should we first do that, Dad? Should we first do that?
Just pour it in your water.
Okay. Add the water.
Beautiful. Add more water in here.
Dad, I want to do it.
So,
Mine.
Mine? What mine?
See?
Huh? GTS.
Baking soda. Baking soda. Here.
Teaspoon baking soda.
Enough?
Teaspoon baking soda, yeah. I'm gonna do one there. Careful. Just.
Okay, I know. I can do that. There we go. Do I put it here?
Then you put in there.
So I put this.
Forgot to turn
I
on
put
the camera.
2 cups of this.
2 spoons of yeast.
2 spoons of yeast. 2 spoons of this. 2 spoons of this.
What is it? What are they?
Sugar, salt, and
About 1 tablespoon of oil.
1 tablespoon of oil and water.
Warm water.
Warm water.
Alright.
100%.
About 3 cups.
Yep. I see what 88 cups.
Yeah. So 1 cup down. 1 more cup. That's all right. What do you want? Juice. Now you add this one here in the middle. Alright. Now mix with the help of fork first. Slowly from the sides. Mix it in the middle first. Yes.
We're getting some of the sides of that.
Yes. Now we're gonna add some oil at the bottom here.
That's nice.
Alright.
Alright.
Put this all together and put it in here. Put it all together. Yes.
I want to make chutney.
Tamarind sauce.
Tamarind sauce?
Easy.
Yeah, first we have to add that.
This one is jaggery. What
Yep.
color?
Jaggery. And we eat it with some tea. See?
You have to break it up. We're gonna use the half of the jaggery here.
Yes.
And go in here.
Can I eat it? I'll have this one.
Some dates, Radhya.
I like dates.
A bit more. Enough. And now add some tamarind there. That's the tamarind. Cut it from half. Yep. Beautiful. All of it. The oil from this bit hot. So pour it. Some paprika for the color, some ginger powder, not like this, just exactly like this one. Just yeah, that's enough. Put it all in. That's 1 teaspoon. Yeah, bit more. Yeah. Yeah, put it all. So we got some roasted.
I'm gonna put it in. Here comes some rasam cumin powder. Me.
Put it back.